Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing. Model, whatever it is. I don't know the name for it. And today I'm going to be playing it. And so, yeah. But I just want to quickly change the account. I know that I have VIP in this game. That I keep on losing for something weird. So I'm gonna just log out and go to the account I needed. I think it's different. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and try to quit. Okay, so yeah, this is it. And let's see what we can do. So this game, I'm going to be. Oh, yeah. So for you guys, I've been seeing you play a lot of fashion games, like Fashion Frenzy. And so that, I love like modeling games and stuff. I just say it's fun. Let's see. I used to have like the pet, but now I don't know where it went. I think he just did took it off my account. I said I'd give them money. That was like a long time ago though, so I guess it's fair. Oh, that's so cute. Silly, now I can't even see anything. Well, yeah, let's go. I can't see anything. Oh, the game did not load. What do I do? How do I put stuff in if I don't even have money? Okay, that's better. Let's put on some. Let's see what we can put on. Let's put on some of these. I mean, no, it looks like a nice little girl, Let's go with this. We gotta look funny on this. With you, this is going to be the best thing ever. Okay, and then now we're going to be bringing on some silly little stuff. Yeah, I mean, girls just can be strong, but then it's just not allowed. I mean, I will look silly. This looks silly. Yeah, let's go to the VIP. Maybe there's some stuff. Maybe it could be a penguin. Let's go. Or maybe there's something in the VIP or something. I don't know. Let's see what we get. So we got something that can get all some movies. Glad I can put on some you. Thanks, Dan. Wait. Yeah, that's better. Wait. Yeah, that's better. Look at me, little silly girl. Okay, let's go. Come on. I think I feel good about my. Me. Oh, look at me. I'm so manly. What the? That's silly. That one just looks like normal. What? That's silly. I love it. That's the best thing ever. Yeah. I would give this like a 5. I'm a man, and I like to. No, this is going to be a fun. Haha. It's gonna be so hilarious. Hahaha. What's so funny? Okay, this guy just copied my outfit. Whatever she is, I mean, I'm transgender, I don't know, whatever they are wearing. But I know that they copied me. And I am mad at them because they copied me. And that is not allowed. Yeah, goodbye, girl. I know, right? It's so funny. Get back out. I'm just trying to get it. Now I got some 50 points. I got 28. And that guy got 5. Come on. That was so good. Why? I feel bad. I used to have cats. I used to like have a little bunny or a mouse, wherever they are. I had a little lousy. It's too long. It's so much. Let's see. Shade of blue. Or do you have anything? How many potatoes can I get? I'm not stupid. Thank you. I guess I'm a judge. Yep, I know it because I'm always. I can buy stuff. Alright, see you later. Colorful, I would love to be in that round. I'd have been in the ceiling round. But I was like a spectate, that's one good thing. Let's go with this little woman. Let's see what she's gonna go with. I mean, I would just go like all swirly rainbow. Oh, she went all swirly rainbow. No, that's good. I want her to go rainbow. I mean, look at that little shaggy. It is lighting up the color. I just love it. I don't care whatever it is. Even it's for boys. It just has to be colorful. That's the most important thing. Okay, we'll take off the like watermelon. She's being all conscious. Let's go for somebody else. Oh, she looks cute. I like it. But her hair? No, that is not colorful. I hate that. And it's not colorful? Honey, I might not give you anything. Because this just looks normal, cute, slash. Oh my god, this is so beautiful thing ever. I love it so much. I love it so much. I have to let this girl win. This girl went all over rainbow. She swallowed my world. I'm going with her. Okay, we're gonna go with the galaxy. I won't mind that. That's colorful. You can go with pink, I guess. But I want like the swirl. Let's see which one has the swirliest of colors. Yeah. Yeah. Like you could have taken the stars or like anything. No, it's colorful. But she's just being cute now. She's just being cute like the other girls. Okay, let's see. First up, we have. Gotta go careful. Gotta be careful. First of all, we have our beautiful little Lata. Let's see. Let's see, that's really rusty. And I'll give it like a 5. Rating at the vote. Rate the current model. I'll give it, just because of that, I'll give it a 4. I mean, it's all rainbow stuff. Yeah, with the face too. I don't know. Now this just looks normal. I gave this one like a 2 just because she tried. I mean, she tried, so I'm just gonna give her a 3. Okay, this girl deserves the 10. This girl deserves all the 10s in the world, but I just don't know about the hair. And we're not in this also, but I don't care. Let's go, but I think she should win, because she has the most velvet room. Let's see. Oh my god, this girl has to win. I do not care about her pets, but she just has to win. Girl Founder, you just keep that up. That's just the best. Does look really well, and see. I don't know, a little bit of blackishy putter. I'll give you a 7. Oh, it's a 6 now because I noticed. Let's go, the balls have that glow in there. Congrats. Let's see. The only one model got the highest score of 10 out of 30. I know her. Girl Thunder deserves it. Horribly. She is just the best. I know. She's so good. But what about the girl that she got married. Sorry, did I give you a 1? I gave her a 3. I gave her a 7. That's guys, you know. Oh, look how cute. Where's third? The Pink Happy Hazel. Where's the Pink Happy Hazel? I can't even see it. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is. She was the best ever. I liked her. She was like amazing. I loved her. But she did need so little techniques to work on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Let's see what's fancy. Oh my god, yes. I am so ready. Let's see. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Let's go. I don't have much time. I am so ready. Go. I mean, let's see what the fancy people are. I mean, the fancy people work this, but we just gotta go with the good old little black hair. I mean, what'd you say? Let's get some, like, hats. Fancy hats. Got some of these. They're fancy, but not the things I'm looking for. Maybe I'll find it in the VIP. I don't know. Let's see. Hats. Got what I need. This could work. Wait, let me just remove some stuff. Okay, I do that. No, not you. I want this little cute baby. Yeah, that's cute. And let's go back. I'd want to go with the hair size tab, but everybody wants. Oh wait, I have to have these. Like 100%. I have to have them. I'll cover always on. Let's put that on. Oh my god, I look so cute. Girl, I look like a star. Okay, I look slight. I gotta look fancy. Where's this fancy things? I don't know where the fancy things in life. Okay, we gotta go with the fancy stuff. Oh my god, what do you do? Yeah. Okay, I don't have any much time to go and get what I needed. But I like my outfit. It is. I like you. Last second change. I look amazing. Yes! I am so fancy. Liam Jolly Coach 2010 is going on, right? I mean, it's not Christmas, but I'll say I am so fancy. That's all I have to say. Okay, let's see my watermelon boy. Now that's definitely gonna get me the win.